Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up ASUS RT-N10E Wireless Router. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this ASUS RT-N10E router setup is one of the best. The ASUS RT-N10E Wireless Router is a simple and reliable Wi-Fi router designed for basic home internet use. It's perfect for small homes or users who need a budget-friendly Wi-Fi solution. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will discuss what's inside the router box. Inside the ASUS RT-N10E Wireless Router, you get a powerful wireless chipset, built-in antennas, and essential networking hardware that provides stable Wi-Fi coverage. It also includes LAN and WAN ports, a reset button, and internal circuits that manage your internet connection smoothly for everyday home use. Now plug the router into power and turn it on. Connect your modem to the router's WAN port, blue, using an Ethernet cable. Connect your laptop/PC to the LAN port, yellow, or connect by Wi-Fi. Default Wi-Fi name, SSID, is ASUS or default password is printed on router label. Open a browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. In the address bar, type http://192.168.1.1 or http://router.asus.com and press enter. If it doesn't open, try resetting the router by holding the reset button for 10 seconds and try again. When the setup page appears, you'll be asked to create a username and password for the router admin panel. This is not your Wi-Fi password. It's only for managing the router settings. Enter and confirm your desired username and password. Click Next. The router will auto-detect your connection type, e.g., PPPoE, dynamic IP, etc. If it's PPPoE, enter your ISP-provided username and password. If it's dynamic IP, most common, it will proceed automatically. Enter your new Wi-Fi name, SSID. This is what devices will see. Set a strong Wi-Fi password for security. Click Apply or Next. The router will reboot and save all settings. After reboot, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the name and password you just set. You can now browse the internet. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.